Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nardiana Atira. I will be demonstrating the back-end process of creating my hobby-based website, which is Dean's Diary. We are currently looking at the Wix dashboard, the central hub for my site setting. First, I want to highlight the SEO setup checklist. I managed to optimize my site page for search engines by completing every task. This included writing clear description for a better user experience. Under the Edit by Page Type section, I configure all 9 pages of my website. I specifically focus on the blog post setting, where I edit the post name, page URL, and the title text to ensure each post is professional and easy to find. Next, moving on to the CMS, which is Content Management System, which I use for About and Hobby section. Within the database, I manage the status, title, and description field. I also make sure that include the image alt text for every photo to improve the accessibility. This ensures that the content you see on the front end is always structured and searchable. For the contact page, I configure the form submission setting. In the back end, I can view all the submission in detail, and I customize the field to capture the visitor's name, email, and specific message. Next, finally, we enter to the Wix editor. This is where I use the drag and drop features to build my layout. One of the most important custom configuration I used was the overlapping style. By simply dragging and drop the element, I could layer image and text precisely. I also use the site design panel to log in my Barbie inspired color palette of magenta and soft yellow. This drag and drop flexibility allow me to create a modern editorial aesthetic and the unique of my website. Let's move to the front end and explore the Dean's Diary from a visitor's perspective. This is a hobby-based personal website created to showcase my interest, creativity, and personal journey through a cheerful Barbie-inspired design. Starting from the homepage, visitors are greeted with a warm welcome message that immediately sets a friendly and personal tone. The hero section includes a clear Reach Me button that directly to the Get in Touch section, making communication quick and accessible. As we scroll down, the Discover My Hobby section introduces my 3 main hobbies. Each hobby card is clickable and will bring user directly to its individual hobby page for a deeper exploration. Below that, there is a brief introduction about me, giving the visitors a quick insight into who I am. A call to action button is to provide here to guide user directly to the About page for more detailed information. For the About page, on the About page, I share a personal description about myself, including my background and interests. This section helps visitors understand the story behind the website. Below the description, there is a playlist slider section that adds an interactive and personal touch to the page. Further down, the My Interest section highlights what I am passionate about, and user can navigate through this section using a next button for a smooth browsing experience. Under the About navigation, there is 2 sub-page available, which is Hobbies and Why page, allowing visitors to explore my interest in more detail. For Hobby page, the Hobby page is present an overview of my 3 main hobbies, which is photography, food hunting, learning makeup, and each hobby section includes a brief description, a represent image. A call to action button is provided in every section, allowing user to directly access to the individual hobby page. Additionally, each hobby section has a quote slider, adding a meaningful and inspirational element that reflect my personal connection to each hobby. Next, for the Why page, focus on the why I love my hobbies. This page is designed like a blog where I share my personal thought and reason for enjoying each hobby. Each section is clickable by using a plugin, visitors can interact with the content to reveal more detailed explanation for each thought, creating an engaging reading experience. Next, for photography page. On the photography page, I begin by sharing my passion for photography and what it means to me. Below that, I explain how my deep interest led me to purchase my camera, where I also describe my camera Canon. Further down, there is a gallery through my lens section, showcase my photograph I have captured, allowing visitors to experience my perspective and creative style. Next, for food hunting page, starts with an introduction and about my interest in exploring food and discovering new cafe. Below this, I highlight my top cafe picks that I have personally tried and recommend. At the bottom of the page, a food gallery display photos of meals I have enjoyed during my food test. Next, for my learning makeup, the makeup page follows a similar layout to the photography and food hunting page. For design consistency, this page focuses on my journey of learning makeup, where I share how I improve my skills through a practice and tutorial. A decided section features makeup tutorial inspired by YouTube, followed by image showcasing my makeup results and the product I use. Next, for the gallery page is where I collect and preserve memories related to all my hobbies. This section features a 3D style gallery layout combined with a grid format, allowing visitors to browse through a visual content in an engaging, organized way. Next, lastly, the contact page includes a contact form where visitors can provide feedback or get in touch with me directly. Any message submitted through this form will be sent straight to my email. Below this form, there is a map section is included to show my contact location, completing the communication experience. Overall, this theory is designed to reflect my personality, creatively, and hobbies through a friendly and interactive user experience while maintaining a clean and consistency visual style across all pages. Thank you.